It's a really unique gift to get to prepare seafood just steps from the ocean it came out of. My name is Royce Burke. We're at the Jolly Oyster in Ventura. Leaving Los Angeles, driving up the coast is my favorite part of my day. Seeing the ocean the whole way up. It's really special and unique to have the opportunity to make this kind of refined food in such a rugged environment.
Oh my God.
The Jolly Oyster is a food truck that we create everything out of here. It allows us to be right on the beach in this beautiful park. I mean, you can't get any closer in connection. It's kept me really grounded in trying to keep everything pure and as close to that beautifully pristine product as possible. Everything was grown so close to here, and you get to just sit outside and enjoy something in nature. I've eaten oysters my whole life and never had any idea everything that goes into farming. We have a hatchery in Ensenada where the oysters are seeded and started and then taken down to the farms and planted. Every time I'm getting too stressed out in a day, that's my happy place and that's where I go back to. It's really special and something I feel incredibly blessed to be a part of. You want to be really careful that you don't pierce the belly. So you want to exert very controlled pressure. You want it to look just really nice. For the baked oysters here at Jolly Oyster, we have 3 different sauces. We have a wonderful bright cilantro chili lime sauce, a Cajun sauce, and then a classic French cream and leek sauce. Using a very professional tool, which I find I do most of the time, whether I'm in my own restaurants or somewhere else. We had very, very little when I was growing up, and without fail, my mother could always make something incredibly delicious out of whatever scraps were left in the fridge. I still feel like I cook my best when I have very limited resources or have some challenge. The first bite I take of a Jolly Oyster, I'm immediately getting tossed around in the waves as a kid. It reminds me of my childhood, all of our vacations. We went to Monterey. It's always been an inspiration to me and is at the core of everything I've ever tried to do in food. We're importing these beautiful chocolate clams. We're the only people that have them in California. The color, the flavor, the texture, it's insane. So we're doing a really simple sauce with those and then adding a couple other components to just enhance and bring out different notes of flavor that you might not get right off the bat. When you come to the Jolly Oyster to eat, I want you to feel the oyster shells underfoot. I want you to try shucking your own oysters. You're surrounded by other people having the same experience. It gives you the opportunity to create a sense of community, make new friends. It's an experience you can't really get anywhere else. I can't imagine a better way of doing it.